So this is chicken pesto pasta. So first I'm gonna do is season the chicken. This is already clean and washed. So first I'm gonna put the olive oil in the baking pan. Spread that. So and then I'm gonna season the breast chicken. So this is what I'm gonna use. So it's Montreal chicken. I already washed this chicken and dried them. Pat dry with paper towel. And I'm gonna season both sides. I put more because I did not marinate for at least 3 hours. So I just put more. And this is a big cut of breast chicken. This is a dry rub for chicken because I'm gonna I'm gonna use it for my pesto pasta. So I'm usually using dry rub, which is more easier. So this is a pack of breast chicken. So it's 6 pieces and they are big. Oh no, it's only 5 pieces. And I'm gonna bake this for at least 25 to 30 minutes for 350. So it's ready to bake. And now while I'm baking the chicken, I'm gonna cook now the sauce. So I use butter. And while I'm cooking the sauce, I already start boiling the water for the pasta. So the water is almost ready. I'm gonna put now the garlic. Make sure to not burn the garlic. Oh, the water now is boiling, so I can add now the pasta. Make sure you put some salt if you want to. It's optional, it depends on you. I usually put salt and olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. Not too much, about 2 tablespoons. So now I'm gonna add onion. You look at the garlic, it's not burned, so make sure not burning the garlic. Now I'm gonna put now the pasta. See, I was cooking at the same time while I'm baking the chicken. I'm cooking the sauce and also cooking the pasta. Make sure to stir them so it will not stick together. That's why you need to use some olive oil too. If you know, like to put some olive oil or nothing. So I added the cherry tomato. Don't forget to mix the pasta while you were cooking, so they will not stick together. So this sauce, I'm gonna use pesto pasta sauce. So I'm using the classical traditional. So that's why I did not use too much butter, because this pesto sauce got a lot of olive oil too. So I use 2 bottles for this, or 2 jars. while the pasta is boiling, and my sauce is cooking too, and the chicken is cooking too. So I like to put in low fire after I added the pesto sauce, so it's not gonna burn
Bakit?
while I'm cooking the pasta.
Tinanong mo?
Chicken is doing good, almost done. Then what I'm going to do is, if the pasta is already cooked, I'm just gonna put straight to the sauce. I will add some water from the pasta for my sauce. You can add some, but not too much. So I'm gonna put some seasoning. This is optional if you want to or not. It depends on your taste if you want some seasoning or not. This is beautiful with the sauce and the tomato. Beautiful color. So now I'm gonna add a little bit water from the jar. Pasta is almost ready. Couple more minutes.
Pupunta.
I'm gonna add a little bit salt. by the time the sauce is done, and I'm gonna mix the pasta, the chicken is already done too. So when the tomatoes start to pop, the sauce is ready. It's ready cooked. So now I'm gonna mix now the pasta. See, and then turn off the heat so it will not gonna overcook, because the stove's still hot, so it's still gonna cook. And it's already cooked, so you're just gonna mix it, keep it warm. Wow, look at that. Make sure turn off the stove so it will not gonna overcook, or you will not overcook the pasta. So I still have some pasta on the other pot, so I'm gonna put that in a strainer to drain. See, here we go. So this is done. All you gotta do is mix. See, that is how easy to make chicken pesto pasta. So look at the sauce, it's not dry, so it's perfect. Look at that, it's yummy, it's already cooked. See, it's perfect, not dry, not too much sauce. Alright, it's done. Look at that. See, look at that beautiful tomato and the pasta. So I'm gonna make a plate for my husband. Let's see. Look at that. It's yummy. Oh. Oh. Oop. Yay. Wow, look at that. And I'm gonna put the chicken. The baked chicken. Put some basil. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. It's so yummy.